A pleasant day to all of you, especially to the officers of Association of Local Colleges and Universities Region 3. I am overwhelmed and grateful for having been selected as recipient of the award for ARCO Region 3 Model Faculty in Research. Thank you, ARCO Region 3. It is such a great honor to be recognized by the association that promotes excellence and unity among locally supported institutions of higher learning in Region 3. It really means so much to me that the work the Lord God has entrusted me and which I have been passionately doing is being valued and useful to others. My noble intention is just to provide better and safer means of learning facilitation amidst the pandemic. To serve the community and young Bulakeños is essential during this time than any of my other projects. This accomplishment is not something that I did alone. Many others deserve to share in this award. I want to thank my hardworking and truly understanding OIC, Victoria M. Season, whose leadership and visions directed this project from day one, and to the amazing people of BPC who sailed with me to reach our common goal. It was always a pleasure coming to work every day with such engaging people. Likewise, thanks to my better half and my family for the unrelenting support and an equal patience, especially in the midst of my busy schedule. So all my fellow BPCians who are the reason and will always be the reason why we keep on moving forward despite the so many challenges brought by COVID-19. I hope this recognition will serve as an inspiration to others. Always remember, if my work can make difference, so can yours. Lastly, I would like to dedicate this award to our beloved former president, the late Dr. Perlita M. Cruz, for her dynamic leadership and her words of wisdom that made me more focused on achieving excellence in the field of education for the best interests of our students and faculty members. No words can be enough to describe my happiness. I know that I will always treasure this moment and I'm going to use this as additional source of inspiration in providing quality education among BPCians. Once again, my deepest gratitude to all. Mabuhay ang Alco Region 3. To God be all the glory.